you'll have with me half.
Family.
One fish. Come. It's 1:45 in England time, and it's very cold in winter time in England, and it's very late night, 1:45. My son just fried the fish for me and he cooked the rice for me. I'm very ill, that's why I'm eating in the middle of the night. I don't eat early night, like 8 or 9 o'clock. Just have, at the time I have some snack, and then I took my dinner very late, like 12:30, sometime 1:32, because of my illness. আর ভালো লাগলে আমার এই ভিডিওটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দিবেন. If you like my video, please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন আর আমাদের জন্য দোয়া করবেন. আমরা যাতে ভালো থাকি. আল্লাহ হাফিজ.